So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Updates. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Updates. Here it is. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart the service. It's now going to restart the service. See if this works for you. If that's still not working, for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And then once you're on this, you want to click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Now you just want to go through all the steps that come up here, see if that fixes your problem. For the last method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.